How to load all modules in a folder. Could someone provide me with a good way of importing a whole directory of modules? I have a structure like this. I tried just converting it to a package by adding __init__.py and doing from foo import asterisk, but it didn't work the way I had hoped.
Add the __all___ variable to __init__.py containing. See also this URL.
List all python.py files in the current folder and put them as __all__ variable in __init__.py.
Update in 2017. You probably want to use importlib instead. Make the foo directory a package by adding an __init__.py. In that __init__py add. Since you want it dynamic, which may or may not be a good idea, list all py files with list_dir and import them with something like this. Then, from your code, do this. You can now access the modules with etc. from foo import asterisk is not a good idea for several reasons, including name clashes and making it hard to analyze the code.
Expanding on Mikhail's answer, I believe the non-hackish way, as in not handling the file paths directly, is the following. Create an empty __init__.py file under foo. Execute. You'll get
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.